So 2019 question 6. We're given the probability of f less s is 1 over 4. Have it circled there. Just change it in here into the pen. F intersection s is 1 over 5. And s less f is x. And the complement of them is here on the outside. It's y. And we're told that they're independent. So independent events, we can say the probability of a or f by the probability of b is equal to the probability of A intersection B. That might be the easiest way to approach this one. We'll try it. If it doesn't work, we can do something else. So the probability of F is 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5. If you want to do it off to the side, or just jot it into your calculator. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5 is 5 over 20 plus 4 over 20, which is 9 over 20. So we have a 9 over 20 times probability of B is x plus 1 over 5. So we have times x plus 1 over 5. And that's equal to 1 over 5, the intersection, if they're independent. So we need to make sure, we need to see, and we're told they're independent, so we need to solve for x, and then we need to solve for y. So we multiply this out, we're going to get 9x over 20. You could multiply by 20 if you wanted. 9x over 20 plus 9 over 20 times 5, 9 over 100. And I'll bring the 1 over 5 out. Well, I'll leave the 1 over 5 there, equals 1 over 5. So if we multiply by 20, we're going to get 9x. Actually, I'll multiply by 100 just to get rid of the 100. So if I multiply by 100, I'll put 100 in front of them all. Take your time. So we can see the first one's going to be 9x by 5 when we cancel the 100 and the 20. So we're going to get 45x plus 9, the hundreds will cancel, equals 100 divided by 5, which is 20. So 45x is equal to 11. So x is equal to 11 over 45. And then we're asked to find the value of y. I think, don't forget that, find the value of y. So y is just 1. Y is equal to 1 minus all the others taken away from each other. 1 over 4. If we take away the 1 over 5, if we take away the 11 over 45 that we just got, get an answer on the calculator. It's the easiest way to do this. Y is going to be 11 over 36 as a fraction. So nice, easy, independent events type of question. Learn them off, what they mean, how to solve them, and they're easy. Okay, now we're looking at in a club. There are German, Irish, and Spanish children only. Very exclusive. 10 Spanish children. S is equal to 10. Twice as many Irish as German. So if German is equal to x, Irish is 2x. They are all in a group waiting to get on a swing. Very well behaved children. One child will be selected at random to go first and will not rejoin the group. Second child will be selected at random. The probability that the first child selected will be German. So German, the probability of German followed by not German is equal to 1 over 6. This clearly visible number here that's just got a bit blurred. 1 over 6. So just fill what we know in here. We get our total like before. Our total is 3x plus 10. So a German student is x over 3x plus 10. That's the first one here, this guy. And if we multiply that by not German on the second one, well, not German, what do we have? We have 10 Spanish and 2x Irish. So we have 10 plus 2x, that's what's left. And what's left is 3x plus 9 because we've taken somebody out of the total. So 3x plus 9, that's equal to 1 over 6. I don't think there's any way other than just multiplying across here. So x by 10 plus 2x is 10x plus 2x squared over 9x squared plus 27x plus 30x, that's 57x plus 90 is equal to 1 over 6. So what are we going to have? We're going to have 9x squared plus 50, 7x plus 90. And we're going to have equals 60x, so minus 60x equals 60x plus 12x squared minus 12x squared equals 0. So I'm going to have 9x minus, we're going to have minus 3x squared, so 3x squared. I'm going to change the sign of everything. We're going to have minus 3x, so plus 3x. And I'm going to have 90, so minus 90 equals 0. Which is going to leave me with x squared plus x minus 30 equals 0. Which is an x by an x, a 6 and a 5. We need plus 6x minus 5x to give us our plus x. So x is equal to 5 or minus 6, not 5. And as we can't have a negative number of children, x is equal to 5. And let's just see what they were asking. Find how many children are in the club. Okay, so we have 10, we have 5, we have 10. So there's 25 children in this club.